Hello everybody, you are welcome to my channel Astro Shupratik. At this moment, everybody everywhere is discussing about one question only. That is when this coronavirus pandemic will end. I was also receiving quite a number of requests from my friends and well wishers to prepare one astrological chart to determine the time of relief from this pandemic. So I have prepared a chart in which I have discussed about the origin, the spreading, and about the recovery from this pandemic. I have provided the astrological reasoning uh, behind my prediction, and I tried to keep it as simple as possible. At first, we will understand the relation between the astrology and pandemic. First of all, we will consider three planets Rahu, Ketu, and Saturn as the cause of pandemic. At the initial stage, we cannot identify a pandemic. We can only detect once it reaches some numbers. Here, the planet Ketu and Rahu plays the role of secretly spreading the disease. Saturn here is responsible for the sufferings. Now, if we see the actual events, the first patient of COVID-19 was detected on 17th of November 2019 from Wuhan province of China. If we look back, we will be able to see on 5th of November 2019, Jupiter entered Sagittarius, where Ketu and Saturn were already present. At the same point of time, Rahu aspects Saturn and Saturn aspects Rahu. Mars had also aspect on Sun at the same time. Now, if we look into this particular combination, the interesting part is here. The Sagittarius indicates eastern direction, Rahu indicates southwest direction, and the house Gemini indicates western direction, where the planet Rahu is posited at this moment. Also, a point to be noted, the year 2020 is the year of Rahu, and Rahu is sitting in Gemini sign, which is a very powerful position of the planet Rahu. The Sagittarius sign indicates eastern direction, Rahu indicates southwest direction, and the Gemini planet indicates western direction. So here we can conclude the virus generated in the eastern part of the globe and spread by air travel in the western world. Why air travel? Because Saturn indicates western direction and also a air element planet. As per Tattva theory of planets, Jupiter is sky element and Rahu again is air element. Now, on 24th of January 2020, Saturn enters Capricorn sign, which represents western direction. Saturn itself indicates western direction. In support of this astrological combination, we found our first case of coronavirus in India on 30th January 2020. At the same point of time, Shadakshtak Jog, it starts between Saturn and Rahu. In astrology, 6th house denotes diseases and 8th house denotes death. With the present position, the two planets are from 6th and 8th positions respectively from each other. This particular position in Vedic astrology is known as Sadashtak Yoga. Now, the situation worsened when Mars entered Capricorn on 22nd March 2020. Two very powerful malefic planets, Mars and Saturn, meets each other in their very powerful positions. This kind of combinations represents natural calamities, political unrest, etc. We have already seen low intensity earthquakes in northern part of India. There were also news of breaking lockdown protocols by masses in few places. From 11th May 2020, four planets are going to be retrograde, which will have some series of effects on society, and it will definitely take some toll on the life of average people. I will definitely discuss this matter on some other video. Now the answer of the question, at what point of time it will take a positive turn. The process will start from June 5th 2020, when Sun meets Rahu. The progress of Rahu will be halted, but to get the result we'll have to wait a little bit. The position will further improve when on 30th of June Jupiter re-enters Sagittarius sign. It will definitely put a break on the pandemic, but to get the total relief we'll have to wait till 19th September 2020. On this day Rahu will move into Taurus, and at the same time Sharashtak Yoga will end. We can mark the date as the relief date from coronavirus pandemic for the time being. So, thanks for watching this video. Hope you liked it. Make sure to like and subscribe to get intimated about new videos. That's it for today. Again, I'll be here with some more videos on interesting topics. Would love to receive your comments. Bye.